Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, we're seeing those winds pick up a bit over the course of the last hour. We have issued a wind advisory here at Wallops for those winds over 25 knots. And we're going to see them become increasingly breezy as we go throughout the day today, and then some rather windy conditions later on tonight as the cold front crosses our region. Taking a look here at our current surface analysis, you can see this front draped from the Midwest all the way down towards the deep south. That'll race across the state of Virginia today and reach the east coast of the United States later on tonight. Ahead of that front, we'll see some warm, breezy conditions with those winds possibly gusting up to 40 miles per hour during the afternoon today. And then we'll see those temperatures rather warm ahead of that cold front, with high temperatures likely reaching around 60 degrees or maybe even into the low 60s as that warm, moist air gets sped up ahead of that frontal boundary. As the front crosses the region tonight, we'll expect those rain showers to be heavy at times and may even see some embedded thunderstorms associated with those rain showers later on tonight. Looking at our upper level wind data from this morning's balloon release, you see those winds rather strong at the lower levels of the atmosphere, 41 knots at the 1,000 foot level. And then as we go up in height, seeing the winds rather stable as far as wind speed goes, so only seeing a max at 53 knots at the 25,000 foot level, and winds generally out of a south to southwest direction as we go up to the 25,000 foot level. Freezing level this morning was at 7,000 feet. I want to take a look at our radar and what we can see across the area here. We see the band of showers associated with that front reaching the central portions of Virginia currently. As we go through the day, these showers will be slow to progress towards the eastern portion of the state here, and will likely hold off on seeing any precipitation until about 7 or 8 o'clock tonight. You see a little bit of lighter reflectivity here that's not reaching the ground, so can't rule out just a light sprinkle or two as we go into the afternoon today ahead of that main batch of precipitation, but likely see the significant rainfall hold off until later this evening. Taking a look here at our infrared satellite, you can see lots of cold cloud tops associated with this frontal boundary as it moves across towards the eastern United States here. Again, that front will be racing towards the east coast later tonight. The showers along that front will be moving in a south to north direction, and then the front moving towards the east coast here should reach us by about 7 o'clock with those showers, and then the frontal passage likely not occurring until early tomorrow morning as the front lags the initial batch of precipitation that is ahead of it. But we will see the rain showers likely overnight tonight, and again, the strong convective cells will likely bring in some pretty strong winds as well. Even without the rain, we're looking at some pretty windy conditions today, again, with those winds possibly gusting up to around 40 miles per hour during the afternoon. And then as we see these showers move through later tonight, you can see some of the first heavier rain arriving around 7 o'clock here local time. And then the threat for the strongest winds and heaviest rainfall will likely occur after around 9 or 10 o'clock and then extend into about the 2 or 3 o'clock hour early tomorrow morning. So as that occurs, again, winds could gust up towards about 50 miles per hour with some of these stronger cells. Could see even some embedded thunderstorms associated with them, as you can see here on the model, indicating some convective type cells moving quickly across our area later on tonight. And down towards the Outer Banks and southeastern portion of Virginia, could even see some severe weather with a threat for some tornadoes down in that area as well. It looks like that tornado threat will stay mainly south of our area, and with our biggest impact from the front being those strong winds and heavy rain that will occur. As we go through time tonight, we'll see maybe a little bit of a break in action after that initial batch of heavy rain moves through, and then we'll see another little squall line move through just after midnight tonight. And then we'll likely see the rain showers lingering to the early morning hours of Friday. We'll see our strongest winds again before about 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, with winds beginning to decrease a bit as we go into the early morning hours of Friday. So as you wake up for Christmas, expect those showers to be exiting the coast, and we'll see some cooler conditions work their way into the area during the day on Friday. So rainfall should pretty much come to an end by about 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, and then seeing mostly cloudy skies continuing through the day on Friday. We'll see those temperatures begin to really fall quickly as we go into the late morning hours. So as we wake up Friday, likely seeing the temperatures in the low 50s. But as we reach the noontime hour and into the afternoon, we'll see the temperatures quickly dropping into the upper 30s during the afternoon. And as you can see here on the model, could even see some snow shower activity during the afternoon and evening hours of Friday as an upper level disturbance moves behind this main cold front as it crosses the area. So something to look out for. Could see some Christmas snow in the form of just some light snow showers. Occasionally, they will not be a widespread event. They'll be kind of scattered in nature, but if you are fortunate enough, you can see some snow showers at times during the day on Saturday. Not expecting any accumulation at this point, but if you do get stuck under one that is a little heavier in intensity, could see a light dusting or so in some very widespread areas across the Delmarva Peninsula tomorrow. Looking ahead to the day on Saturday, you can see that disturbance that brings the chance for some snow flurries moves off the coast, and we're left with a dry and very chilly day on Saturday, and then dry weather continuing into the extended period. Switching over here to the European model and kind of giving you a look at what we can expect in the long range. Looking at dry weather continuing after this front passes through tonight. Really not seeing much of a chance at any precipitation at all. It was looking like we could get an opportunity on Monday as this frontal boundary moves through, but it does not look at this time like there's going to be enough moisture to really squeeze out any precipitation. Just see some cooler air behind it arriving for the middle of next week. So looking at just a mostly cloudy day on Monday with dry weather continuing on into the middle of next week. Looks like it'll be probably Thursday night into Friday before we see our next opportunity of any precipitation for next week. So looking at the next 24 hours, lots of hazards showing up here. As we've already highlighted, those winds will likely gust close to 50 miles per hour during the max period of heavy rain and winds associated with that front as it moves through later on tonight. I think our best chance for getting that 50 mile per hour gust will likely be just before midnight tonight as those rain showers move across the area. And after midnight tonight, expecting the heavier rain to continue, likely coming to an end with the heavy rain showers about 3 o'clock in the morning, and then seeing light to moderate rain showers continuing into the early morning hours of Friday. As I mentioned earlier, could even see an embedded thunderstorm, so highlighting about a 20% chance of seeing some lightning associated with some of these heavier showers later on tonight. Best chance for that to occur will be between the hours of 7 o'clock and 3 o'clock in the morning. And again, the main impact will be those heavy winds associated with the strong rain showers as they move through the area. Looking at our 7-day forecast, you can see a cooling trend certainly in store for us as we head into the weekend. We'll see a high of 61 today with the rain likely later on tonight. Pretty much a sure bet, 100% chance of precipitation with the windy conditions for us this evening. And then as we go into tomorrow, about a 25% chance of seeing some of those snow showers across the area, especially during the afternoon and evening hours on Friday. So certainly something to watch for Christmas Day or some of those snow showers that could occur and really set the stage for a nice Christmas event for us with those snow showers really not causing any kind of road problems, as they should not be of long enough duration to really cause any accumulation to occur on Friday. Saturday, looking at partly cloudy and chilly conditions with a high of 37, a low of 22 expected for Sunday morning, and then a little bit of a moderating temperature as we head into the late portion of the weekend and into the early portion of next week. 45 for Sunday, 53 for Monday under partly to mostly cloudy skies, and seeing highs in the mid 40s for Tuesday and Wednesday. Well, that'll wrap it up for our weather briefing today. Hope everybody has a Merry Christmas tomorrow. We'll be back again Monday morning with the briefings at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.